Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to be learning a new chapter of English grammar, and the name of that chapter is articles. So, what are articles? So, articles are three words basically: a, an, and the. So, these three words we call articles. Now, where do we use these three words? First, we are going to learn where do we use a and an. Okay, so a and an we call them indefinite articles, and we use these two when we are referring to any object or person in general. Means I'm talking about anything around me, I'm going to use a or an. Like I can say a mango, or an apple, or a boy, or a girl, like that. So any singular thing around me I'm talking about, I use a or an. Now where do I use a and where do I use an? I use a when I'm talking about any word that begins with a consonant sound, and I use an when I talk about any word that begins with a vowel sound. So vowel sounds are vowel sounds are those words that begin with a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so we call a or an as indefinite articles. Okay, now why are they called indefinite articles? We call them indefinite articles because when I say a boy, do you understand which boy am I talking about? You don't, right? So that's why they are called as indefinite articles. Now the, on the other hand, we call a definite article. Now why is the called a definite article? See, when I use the, I'm referring to something in particular. Means I'm talking about a specific person. Like if I say the Taj Mahal, it means there is only one Taj Mahal in the world, and I'm talking about that Taj Mahal. So that is why we call a and an as indefinite articles, and I call the as definite article. Now see, let me illustrate you what I taught with an example. See, Aman is a boy and he is with his mom, and they have both gone to a shop. Now Aman is saying, I want a t-shirt for my birthday. See, he used the word a here, a t-shirt. See, any t-shirt, not a particular one. Means Aman is saying मुझे एक t-shirt चाहिए बर्थडे के लिए, कोई भी एक t-shirt चाहिए. देखो, mom is saying, see the one here, this t-shirt looks lovely. So when मम्मा यूज़ करती हैं, मम्मा बोलती हैं see the one here, इसका मतलब उनकी मम्मा एक पर्टिकुलर टी शर्ट को दिखा के बोल रही है. मतलब मान लो एक टी शर्ट कहीं पे हैंग हो रहा है, एंड हर मॉम इज़ होल्डिंग दैट टी शर्ट इन हर हैंड, एंड शी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट टी शर्ट. वो बोल रही हैं, अमन बेटा ये टी शर्ट देखो, डू यू वांट दिस टी शर्ट लुक्स वेरी गुड. सो देखो, हमने द यूज़ किया बिकॉज मॉम वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट अ स्पेसिफिक टी शर्ट, बट हमने यहाँ पे ए यूज़ किया बिकॉज मॉम वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी टी शर्ट. Sorry, Aman was talking about any t-shirt. Okay, now next line. Aman, yes, I like this. Can I buy an aeroplane? See, again he used an. Means he's talking about any aeroplane. He's asking his mom, Mama, I want to buy, कोई भी मुझे एक airplane दिला दो. See, any aeroplane, not a particular one. Now mom says, you already have one, don't you? तुम्हारे पास एक already है नहीं? The one Aunt Lily bought for you. See, again the is used. इसका मतलब मम्मा बोल रही है तुम्हारे पास एक ऑलरेडी है ना, वो सेम वाला एरोप्लेन जो ऑन्ट लिली ने तुम्हारे लिए ख़रीदा था. मीन्स शी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर एरोप्लेन. सी, hence we use the. If we are talking about particular things, we use the. If we are talking about anything in general, we use a or an. See, in these two cases, Aman used indefinite articles, but mom used definite articles. Okay. Now we'll come to the next one. See, we use a or an when we are mentioning something for the first time. See, यहाँ पे t-shirt, when Aman was mentioning, he was mentioning the t-shirt for the first time. He was mentioning the aeroplane for the first time. That is why he was using a or an. But if I am repeating something for the second time, then I use the. Okay. So example, see, there is a girl is talking to the boy. Anu is saying to Amit, Anu, I'm going to open a packet of cereal. ठीक है? So she is using a because she is referring to the cereal for the first time. Amit, see, is that the packet mom brought yesterday? I want to open the packet. See, you can see here Amit is saying the. इसका मतलब अमित सेम पैकेट के बारे में बात कर रहा है जिसको अनु ने मेंशन किया था प्रीवियसली. ठीक है, पहली बार जब मेंशन हुआ वी यूज्ड ए, सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन इट गॉट मेंशन्ड आई यूज्ड द. ओके, सो वेयर डू वी, इन विच अदर प्लेसेस डू वी यूज द? वी यूज द when we know that there is only one of that particular thing, like rain. There is only one rain in the world. Rain does not mean कि मतलब दुनिया में सिर्फ एक ही बारिश है. इसका मतलब rain का मतलब सेम है throughout the world. That is why use the rain. We use the sun, the wind, the world, the earth, etc. So we use the about things which are of a particular kind, means there is only one, मतलब such things only exist, only one of such things exist in the world. Okay, to describe the people of a country or a class of people. Okay, so कोई भी एक country के लोगों को describe करने के लिए हम the use करते हैं, like the English, the French, the rich. See, the English means the people from England. The French means the people of France. The rich means these are the rich people, मतलब अमीर लोग. See, he is saying a class of people. Class does not mean जैसा तुम्हारा class है. Class means a category of people, means a certain type of people. Okay, we use the also for the names of large geographical areas. Geographical areas means big areas like countries or continents, something like that. See, and also we use the for the directions, like the east, the west, like that. And geographical areas like Himalayas, the Gulf countries, etc. Also we use the before the names of rivers, oceans and seas. मतलब river जो सब होता है, like unique rivers and oceans, and names of the seas like the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean, etc. Before the names of deserts, forests, gulfs, like that. Deserts, forests, gulfs are areas in the sea. Sahara, Persian Gulf, Amazon forest, the Amazon forest, like that. Names of musical instruments also. And before a superlative. Acha, what is a superlative? Superlative means so all the adjectives are described, they are categorized into three types: positive, comparative and superlative. Superlative मतलब among multiple things, the one which is the greatest or the best, such kind of things we call superlative. ठीक है, like the best computer. ठीक है, बेस्ट कंप्यूटर मतलब सारे कंप्यूटर्स में से सबसे अच्छा कंप्यूटर. सी द वर्ड बेस्ट इज़ अ सुपरलेटिव, उसके सामने मैंने द यूज़ किया. द वर्स्ट प्लेयर, सी द वर्स्ट मतलब सबसे खराब, सारे प्लेयर्स में से सबसे खराब प्लेयर. द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग बुक मीन्स सारे बुक्स में से सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. सो बिफोर मोस्ट द आई यूज्ड, बिफोर वर्स्ट द आई यूज्ड, बिफोर बेस्ट द आई यूज्ड. ठीक है. एंड ऑल्सो वी यूज द इन द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ न्यूज़ पेपर्स लाइक हिंदू, द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस एक्सेट्रा. एंड ऑल्सो लास्ट वी यूज द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ फेमस बिल्डिंग्स, मॉन्यूमेंट्स, पेंटिंग्स एक्सेट्रा. Like see the Empire State Building which is in New York, we use the Red Fort which is in Delhi, I use the Mona Lisa which is a famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci, I use the. ठीक है. So these are the different uses of the. Okay, so we'll go to the next exercise. Here he's saying that there are mistakes in the following sentences and we have to add the wherever it is necessary. The first one is done. Let's see. Where is new laptop you got as a prize? Where is the new laptop you got as a prize? So why did I use the here? Yes, I use the here because I'm referring to a specific laptop. मतलब जब तुम किसी को पूछते हो कि तुम्हारा नया लैपटॉप कहाँ पे है, इसका मतलब तुम एक पर्टिकुलर लैपटॉप के बारे में पूछ रहे हो. दैट इज़ वाई आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द. ओके, सी the plane flew over Pacific Ocean. So where should I insert the? I will insert the here. Why should I insert the here? Because हमने अभी पढ़ा सी in before the names of rivers, oceans and seas like Indian Ocean I have written the, so I am going to use the here. In India it rains during the monsoon. ठीक है, because it is about a particular period in the year. Again, I'd like to learn playing the guitar because we learned here in front of musical instruments. I am going to use the. Next, Himalayas have the highest peak in the world. So Himalayas is a particular place, a mountain range. See, we read here somewhere. कहाँ गया हाँ, see, the Himalayas. It is the name of a large geographical area. That is why I will use the Himalayas. Again, number 6, I will say the best batsman. Why would I use the best batsman? Because see, for superlatives, the best is a superlative. That is why before superlative I will use the. The number 7, the Ganga is the longest river in India. I will use two the here. The Ganga and the longest, because I will use the Ganga because I am referring to a particular river. I am going to use the here because the word longest is a superlative. Okay? So today we are going to read this much. The rest of the chapter we will be learning in the next class. I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you understood all of this. If you didn't understand any of it, I will discuss this in the online class. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood something.